Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Klarna in Shopify. So to do that, first go to shopify.com and log in with your store. Alright, so let's wait for it to load and we're here. So on the left side you can see apps. Let's click on there. Click on add apps and scroll down and you can see Shopify App Store. Click on it. Now over here you can just search Klarna and you can install Klarna on-site messaging or Klarna creator platform. So on-site messaging is not compatible on my store, but it can be compatible on your store if you have purchased a plan. Since I don't have a plan, it's not compatible for me, so I'm just going to demonstrate you on how to install Klarna creator platform. Now all you have to do is add app and then log in with your Klarna account. So that is how you can install Klarna in Shopify. Now you're just few steps away from installing Klarna in Shopify. So thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one.